Let's make a video. I have an idea. Every good video starts with a good script. Short enough to understand, strong enough to remember. Good. We have a plan. Sound, camera, action. Footage in, edit, sound, motion, thumbnail, and then the render. Perfect. Our video is done. Total time spent, 14 hours and 21 minutes. I see one problem here. This does not scale. So, we need to change something. We documented everything. How we script, how we edit, how we build with motion and rhythm. And once it was clear enough to write down, it was clear enough to build. Build from the craft we developed by hand. Agentic Media.